Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Gemini live camera. First, ensure your compatible camera is connected to the Gemini app. Make sure your camera is powered on and has an active internet connection. You'll then need to grant the Gemini app the necessary permissions to access your camera's live feed. This process is straightforward and gets you ready for real-time monitoring. Once your camera is set up, accessing its live feed is simple. Open the Gemini app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to your list of connected devices and select the specific camera you wish to view. A quick tap on the Live View option will immediately begin streaming, allowing you to see what's happening in real time. The Gemini live camera offers several useful features. You can utilize the two-way audio function to speak through your camera, which is great for checking in on pets or family. Easily record video clips or capture still images directly from the live feed. Plus, you can adjust various camera settings, such as motion detection sensitivity, right within the app for personalized monitoring. If you encounter any issues, first check your Wi-Fi connection to ensure stable streaming. Sometimes, simply restarting your camera and the Gemini app can resolve minor glitches. For more persistent problems, consult the app's help section. And hey, while you're optimizing your home, why not optimize your car? Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep things fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.